Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube videos. Today we're gonna be talking about rare silver trading methods. I want to post this video because I want this video to be usable for you guys for a while. I want you guys to click on this video in like a couple minutes and be like, whoa, this is still usable, and that's my goal for today's video. I'm gonna try to make the video as understandable as possible for everybody. So what's the promise of trading? By the way, if any of you guys are watching this video for the first time, you don't know what the trading is to buy low and sell high and to make coins without spending money. That's really the point of trading. Rare silver trading method. It's been working for me, so I thought I would share it out with you guys. And let me kind of show you how I do this FIDA first. We're gonna need to set up FIDA to bid rare silver cash. So I put maximum bid price 300 and minimum buy now price 1000. Then make rare silver in quality and search in the market. You need to find yourself a cat who has a bid on it. That's the first thing you need to do. Second thing is a little bit more coin like a 350 or 400 every rare silver cat who has bid on it until your target size is full. After that, go check back to your transfer target. I can see that you will have over 30 players win in your transfer target. I don't want to waste my time to compare their price to sell them back, so I decided to sell them back start price 800 and buy now 850 and list them for 1 hour. Your profit is 400 or 500 for every single rare silver cat that sold in 1 hour. In this way, fill your transfer market with 100 rare silver cats and release every 1 hour and clear the sold silver cats. And fill again to keep 100 players in the transfer market. At the end of the day, I would recommend to flash up your transfer market. It means sell them all with their minimum price per day. You might lose some coin for it, but if you don't do it, later amount of silver sold players are getting low each 1 hour. If you have the convenient application on your phone, you can release this app every 1 hour over and over again. Even when you're away from your console, it only takes like 30 seconds or a minute to release transfer market. So you're not really spending too much time. So you might be wondering how many coins you can make a day with this method. Well, I would say anywhere from 25 to 50k. Okay guys, that is how I trade with rare silver cash. I hope my video is useful for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.